ये पर बने हैं आप सुन रहे हैं 1550 AM पर हमें। और यहाँ पर आप एवरी ट्यूसडे विदाउट फेल सुनते हैं 4 से 5 के बीच डॉक्टर साकेत भाटिया को। डॉक्टर साकेत भाटिया हु इज an internationally renowned astrologer, PhD in the subject of astrology, and he is a certified numerologist, has over 25 years of experience and has more than 12,000 satisfied clients globally. आप कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं उन्हें डायरेक्टली बाय कॉलिंग 408-639-5300. That's his number where you can connect with him, you can make an appointment, meet him and discuss about your charts all in detail. और अगर अभी कोई क्विक क्वेश्चन है शो के दौरान, we'll be opening the studio lines shortly. Stay tuned with us. And saketbhatia.com website है अगर नंबर नहीं नोट कर पा रहे हैं, so just remember the website and you'll get all the information about him. Again, it's saketbhatia.com. With that, hello and welcome. Happy Tuesday.
Happy Tuesday, Vedika, and happy Tuesday to all the listeners. It's always good to be back. अच्छा लगता है when we get a chance to help people. Our goal is easy in this show. We want to educate you on astrology, numerology, vastu, and improve your life. Life में बहुत कुछ होता है, up downs, अड़चने आती हैं, people get confused. कभी कभी लगता है कि nothing is falling right. कभी कभी लगता है life is wonderful. So we want to go from that nothing is ever right to everything is wonderful. That's what we try to do in this show. And that's what I hope people are getting out of this show. आप तो क्या पता है, this is a live show. We don't really have a script as such. We have some topics. उस topics के base पे हम बात करेंगे. I invite the listeners to not only ask questions about their, kundali or their one question, but in general, ask anything you want about life, about, what you're doing. Just call in and see how things are working out for you. Let's do that check for you, right?
Absolutely. And so नए साल में बात करते हैं about new beginning, new challenges, and what our kundali, what our charts can speak to us. So सबसे पहले like people who are working hard and have that complaint कि not getting enough. So can it be done by a planet? Can planets affect your potential?
So last week हमने जब show किया था, after the show you told me it's always nice कि if you can combine astrology, numerology, vastu. Remember?
Yeah, it's
Show
very
खत्म
interesting.
होने के बाद. Yeah. So why don't we do that? Why don't we talk little about astrology, numerology, vastu? So your question is, लोग बहुत hard work करते हैं,
Mhm.
but still they're not getting those results. I mean, listeners on the show, you are working very hard. You're trying hard. It could be at work, it could be on family, could be relationship, could be studies, could be your health. People try to lose weight, they try to overcome diabetes, whatever. But ऐसा क्या है जो नहीं हो रहा? I'll give you a classic example. Let's say आप रात को फील्ड में चले गए, in some garden or field. It's dark. That's what the environment is. It's very dark and very cold. You can't see anything, so you take a torch. A torch के साथ you look at the ground, you're able to see because there's light. Now let's assume कि between the torch and the ground, there is a wall. What will happen? You won't be able to see anything. कुछ नहीं दिखेगा आपको क्योंकि light is blocked. Same way, rays of planets can also be blocked in your kundali. How can that be blocked? Many ways. Astrology में कहते हैं 11th lord is very bad. अगर 11th lord कोई planet को देख रहा है, he is capable of breaking that particular yog. That is one.
Mhm.
Two, अगर वो planet debilitated है, planetary war में है, if that planet is sitting between two very strong bad planets, he will cause difficulties. तो वो planet का असर आपकी कुंडली में नहीं होगा. Same way, I want you to think कि 2024 में what happened in your life? अच्छा, बुरा, what blocked you? आज हम बात करेंगे blockage, not only from astrology, but blockage from numerology and blockage in vastu as well. Yes, तीनों चीजों से ब्लॉक हो सकते हैं आपके planets. So let's assume शनि एक planet है जो डिले, suffering, hard work represent करता है. When this planet is blocked, you will work hard, you will suffer, but you won't get the result of working hard. ये planet blocked है. Shani plays a very important role in making sure that you get something when you work hard. But जब शनि block होता है, you will work hard and you will have setbacks related to goals, achievement, commitments. And look at what's happening with you. If 2024 you felt that you really worked hard and unfortunately got laid off or did not get recognition at work, it's got to be Saturn. Shani kahin na kahin block ho raha hai. Yes, Shani is not a good planet, but he's a good planet for property, he's a good planet for life, he's a good planet for stability. और अगर ये तीनों चीजें मिसिंग थी या इनमें से कुछ मिसिंग था, your Saturn was blocked. Now let's talk about Mars. Mars is a planet of what? Assertiveness, energy, aggression, ability to do right from wrong, logic, to take action. अगर आपका जॉब स्विच हुआ या रिलेशनशिप स्विच हुआ and you were not able to do much about it, it is probably because of a blocked Mars. Venus is relationships, social influence, personal connection, happiness. If you missed out on any one of these or all of these or some of these, then you can be sure it was probably caused because of a weak Venus or a blocked Venus. And finally, planet of communication, business. Have you tried to start a business? Have you ever thought कि मुझे काम नहीं करना, खुद का करेंगे, फ्रेंड के साथ करेंगे? Or have you tried to mend a relationship with your friend, your partner, your family, but things are not going the way you want them to go? That is because of a blocked Mercury. So think about it. Saturn, Mercury, Venus, Mars, these are planets that can be blocked. And when they get blocked, they don't give meaningful results. No matter how hard you work on that planet, they are simply blocked. They won't give you the results. तो recognize कीजिए कि आपकी लाइफ में 2024 में ऐसा क्या हो गया that caused that planet to be blocked. Go back and see which aspect of your life was missing. Many people come to me, in fact, most come to me primarily with relationship issues. The second issue is always career. Third is finance. When I say career, I mean career growth, career stability, and the ability to start your own business. But if you're not able to do your own business, first look at your Mercury. How strong is your Mercury? हमें ये भी सुनने में आता है कि I am from a service house. Nobody in my family has ever started a business. Will I be able to do it? Well, let's go back and look. Most successful businessmen, most successful people are the ones who came from a service background, not from a business family. Remember, your being in a business family or a service family has nothing to do with your success in life. The only thing that is helping you succeed is two things: you and your planets. So make sure you know what is strong, you know what is weak, and you know what destiny has in store for you. Some people start a business in 30s, some at 40s, some in 50s. What is right? Nothing is right, nothing is wrong. दशा आएगी, बिजनेस स्टार्ट होगा. दशा आएगी, शादी होगी. दशा आएगी, बच्चे होंगे. दशा आएंगी, घर होगा. It's all a matter of planets. It's all a matter of time. So that's what I really want to explain. There are planets that can be blocked. There are planets that will help you move forward. Positive energy from a planet when it is blocked is not good. Negative energy from a planet when blocked is actually good. So in astrology, what we can do is we look at blocked planets and we come up with some ways, some remedies in which these planets won't be blocked. Maybe there is another way to enhance the energy of the planet or move it a little so it's not blocked. And then at times, it is possible jo blocked planets hai, which are bad, we can try to make sure that they don't impact you negatively. So those are things astrologically that you should consider, that you should understand, that are blocking your life and blocking your growth. Okay? ये
जी
था astrology का part.
जी। सो जो लोग हमें सुन रहे हैं अभी, एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड योर चार्ट्स बेटर, आई वुड से कि आप शुरुआत कीजिए बाय लॉगिंग ऑन टू saketbhatia.com, क्योंकि जब आप वेबसाइट पे जाएंगे यू कैन क्रिएट योर ओन चार्ट्स। अपनी जो इन्फॉर्मेशन है यू कैन पुट इट ओवर देयर, यू कैन क्रिएट योर चार्ट एंड यू कैन स्टार्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट। एंड इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन, ऑफ कोर्स आप info@saketbhatia.com पे लिख सकते हैं। डॉक्टर साकेत भाटिया से बात कर सकते हैं बाय कॉलिंग 408-639-5300। तो ये तो एस्ट्रोलॉजिकल एस्पेक्ट से हमने बात की थी। सो बिफोर गोइंग टू like going further deeper in our discussion, let's take a quick call.
Sure.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Sakit Bhatia.
हेलो, नमस्ते
Hi.
डॉक्टर भाटिया जी।
Namaste. How are you?
आई एम गुड, हाउ अबाउट यू?
I am doing very well. Thank you for asking. क्या कर सकते हैं?
मेरा एक हेल्प करें, मेरी बेटी और उसके पार्टनर के लिए है,
Okay.
तो उनका डेट ऑफ बर्थ दोनों का दूं?
आप क्या do you want a match? Because match नहीं होगा unfortunately शो पे. Matching is a very
मैच नहीं
complex
करना
system.
है, नहीं मैच नहीं करना है, सिर्फ ये है कि 4-5 सालों से दे वांट मूव इन सेम प्लेस, पर उनका हो ही नहीं रहा है। जब उसको उसी जगह पहुंचना होता है तो उसको कहीं और शिफ्ट कर देते हैं। तो ये इसकी कुंडली में साथ में है लिखा हुआ या कुछ है उसमें प्रॉब्लम?
देखिए एक कुंडली पढ़ सकते हैं बट दो का दिस इज मैच ये मुश्किल हो जाएगा क्योंकि दो कुंडली पे हमें ट्रांजिट देखने पड़ेंगे, दशा देखनी पड़ेगी।
हम्म,
अनफॉर्चुनेटली यू वोंट बी एबल टू बी डन इवन इन 10 मिनट्स, बहुत टाइम जाता है इसको। जब
अच्छा।
दो कुंडली होती है ना तो यू ऑलवेज हैव टू स्टडी ईच सेपरेटली, फिर ओवरलैप करके दोनों को पढ़ना पड़ता है। तो आई
हम्म,
वुड रिकमेंड कि एक पढ़ सकते हैं लेकिन दो नहीं पढ़ सकते, नहीं मिलेगा टाइम हमें इतना।
अच्छा, ठीक।
You can always connect with Dr. Bhatia after the show. आप डायरेक्टली कॉल कर सकती हैं मैम 408-639-5300 पे।
ठीक है,
आप फोन कीजिए, इट्स ऑफलाइन, इट्स इजियर। वी कैन
ठीक
डिस्कस
है।
मोर इन डिटेल कि ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है। अभी जैसे हम बोल रहे थे देयर आर ब्लॉक्ड प्लैनेट्स। वीनस इज फॉर अ वुमन, जुपिटर इज पार्टनर हस्बैंड, फॉर अ मैन वीनस इज पार्टनर वुमन। अगर दोनों की कुंडली में ये प्लैनेट्स ब्लॉक्ड हैं देन वी नो कि इनका साथ में रहना बहुत डिफिकल्ट होगा। अब कब तक होगा, कब तक ब्लॉक्ड है? दशा होती है, अगर राहु केतु देख रहे हैं ब्लॉक करेंगे, शनि देख रहा है वो ब्लॉक करेगा। जिस प्लेनेट की दशा खराब है वो ब्लॉक करेगा, अगर अच्छा प्लेनेट है तो वो ग्रोथ देगा। तो ये समझना पड़ेगा कि एग्जैक्टली कब दशा आ रही है। ओके,
बस एक ये है कि दोनों का नेम और मंथ और ईयर भी सेम है, उसमें कोई दिक्कत आती है क्या लड़के लड़की
नथिंग लाइक
दोनों?
दैट।
ना।
एस्ट्रोलॉजिकली कोई फर्क नहीं है, अगर मंथ ईयर सेम हो, डेट सेम हो तो भी फर्क नहीं आता। सिर्फ असेंडेंट देखना है वो कहाँ है, और उनके सेवंथ हाउस लॉर्ड और जुपिटर वीनस कहाँ बैठे हैं ये देखना है। ओके,
अच्छा, ठीक है, ठीक है, थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
Let's take another call.
श्योर।
I think it got dropped. So if you are still trying to reach us, you can always call us back 510-770-1550. Hello, you're on air with Dr. Sakit Bhatia.
Hi, Vedika. This is Ritesh. I have a question regarding my nephew.
Yeah, sure. Go ahead. Dr. Bhatia is listening to you.
हाय रितेश।
Hi, Dr. Bhatia. How are you, sir?
आई एम डूइंग वेरी वेल, व्हाट अबाउट यू?
I'm doing great.
So
I have a question
what
regarding
is
my
your
nephew.
okay, what is your nephew's date of birth?
His date of birth is 29th of July, 1996.
Okay,
And he was born at 7 a.m. in the morning
in
in
place of birth?
Howrah, West Bengal. Howrah, West Bengal.
Okay, and what is your question?
My question is that he is unable to focus on any of his like being a workplace or his personal life, so he's totally distracted and is not able to focus. Just we are not aware of what is happening with him.
So it is generally, it is not just lack of focus at work, it is focus, relationship, career, everything.
Yes, yes.
देखिए जो this chart that we've made is a
Uh-huh.
Leo ascendant. The planet Leo is run by Sun. Let's understand that
Mhm.
carefully. Leo is run by Sun. Now, wherever Sun will sit, that will become a core focus house for him. How old is this boy today?
28, 29.
He's 28. At age 28, many planets are still not mature. Jupiter,
Okay.
Sun, Moon,
Hmm.
Venus are mature. Mercury is not mature yet. Now, he is running Mars Dasha. Mars is sitting in the 11th house, and Mars happens to be a very good planet. He is running Mars Moose Dasha. This is pointing to relationship at this point of time. Okay.
Okay.
Rahu is also going from 6th, 8th house to 7th. So we believe relationship will be a very strong focus for this boy starting next 6 months for the next 1.5 year. Regarding focus,
Okay.
focus is again on Venus, which is, woman, the other gender. He needs to work very hard on his Sun. When ascendant Lord is sitting in 12th house, where is he based? Is he based here or India?
Here only. He's
If
in
he's based,
New Jersey.
he's in New Jersey. In transit, the planet is very strong on career, but I worry that Sun is sitting in a water sign. Sun is a fiery planet. When it sits in water sign, it loses its strength. First Lord sitting in 12th will generally cause expense of health, expense of wealth, expense of career. This is a relationship time, do one step at a time. Focus on getting him married. That marriage dasha is running. Between now
Okay.
and the marriage dasha will continue running till 2027. Good time, good partner. Career and all,
Okay.
unfortunately or fortunately, you'll have to wait a little. It doesn't fall into place right now. Okay?
Okay. Sure. Thanks, sir. Dr.
A
Mahathir.
good remedy would be make his Sun strong. It is his ascendant Lord. You have to work on that. All right? Okay.
So we were talking about the planets affecting our potential, and we did talk about the question in astrological point of view. What about the numerology? And
Now this is something that is going to surprise you.
okay,
We've been doing a lot of astrology. बहुत बातें की हैं astrology पे, right? कि
जी,
planets ऐसे होते हैं, planets वैसे हैं. आज
हम्म,
numerology की बात करते हैं.
हम्म,
Now, in numerology, there are 4 numbers which are known as karmic debt. देखिए astrology में कर्म होते हैं. You have been born with your past life's deeds. Do you agree? That's what astrology is about. Same way
yes,
in numerology, there is something we call karmic debt. अगर ये 4 नंबर आपकी कुंडली में हैं, and if you're born on 13th, 14th, 16th, or 19th, these are called karmic debts. I don't care if it takes place in your life path number, birthday number, soul urge number, expression number. अगर आपकी कोई भी addition comes to 13, 14, 16, or 19, these numbers indicate challenges in life. I will explain what they mean. जैसे planets block होते हैं, 13, 14, 16, and 19 will indicate lessons that you have to learn and challenges that you have brought from your past life इस जन्म में. एक एक नंबर की बात करते हैं.
जी,
Number 13. If you're born on 13th of a month,
हम्म,
or the sum of your number becomes 13, or month and year becomes 13, ये एक नंबर है टेस्ट और ऑपोजिशन का. This number means पिछले जन्म में you have misused your power, you have been lazy or irresponsible. So 3 चीजें हैं. Either you misused your power, ज्यादा power था, or you were lazy or you were irresponsible. So इस life में you have to learn the importance of working hard. You have to learn to be patient, determined. ये जो karmic debt है, these people जिनका 13 होता है, they will often face repeated obstacles. Each obstacle will require hard work and time to overcome. They have to learn not to get distracted and focus on their work.
okay,
Interesting, right?
yeah. So
अब number
every Every date has this significance.
Every date has a significance, but we are talking about block planets and block numbers, right? तो
Right.
13 हो गया. अब next blockage पे आते हैं number 14. Number
Okay.
14 relates to abuse of freedom and independence in the past life. पिछले जन्म में you lacked self-discipline, you lacked self-control. इस जन्म में you're also going to have excess of that. So we recommend you have a clear-cut thing. हमें life में stability चाहिए. Freedom तो मिलेगी आपको,
Mhm.
लेकिन stability चाहिए, जो number 14 को नहीं मिलती easily. Work hard on stability. It could be stability in relationship, stability in job, stability in home. Number 14 travel करते जाते हैं, city to city, country to country, home to home, job to job. When I see a resume which has multiple jobs over the last 10 years, immediately I say number 14 works out right.
जी. Right.
अब आएंगे number 17 पे. ये
Mhm.
actually 16, sorry. This is more challenging than the other two. In fact, it is one of the most challenging numbers. Numerology में इसे fallen tower कहते हैं. You have fallen in your previous life from grace because of ego or faults you never recognized. इस जन्म में आपको humility and destruction of ego की बात सुननी है, समझनी है. People who have number 17 will experience sudden transformation in their life. Losses हो जाते हैं. They have to rebuild their life from scratch. This life you have to learn. And finally, number 19. पिछले जन्म में आपको independence और self-reliance पे problem था. You depend too heavily on other people in your past life. In this life, you have to learn self-confidence, leadership capabilities. ऐसी ऐसी situations आएंगी कि आपको अकेले खड़ा रहना पड़ेगा, and you have to develop that inner strength. देखिए number 13, 14, 16 and 19 are numbers in numerology जो डरा सकते हैं. But while astrology says a planet can be blocked, in numerology these are actually powerful tools for transformation. ये block नहीं करते, but recognizing that you have this number within you will help you change. Each challenge will present an opportunity and you will know, I am going to learn and will make you stronger in character and stronger by will. That is the difference in astrology and numerology. Nothing breaks, it only builds.
Wonderful. Very, very interesting. So before we go further, let's take a quick call.
Sure.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Saket Bhatia.
Hello, Bhatia ji.
Anji, namaste. How
Good
are you?
afternoon. Yeah, I'm fine. I just wanted to know, is there a preferred number? Would you be able to say like a preferred number that the new house that I'm going to buy into should have? Like based on my astrological chart, is there anything that how do I determine like what's the best number if I just add up all the digits in the street address of the house number?
It's a little more complicated than that. So what happens is, the first step I would say is, if you're buying a house, first step, look at your birth chart and make sure कि timing right है घर की. Sometimes you could buy a house and that house could actually go down in value. That's not going to help you. Sometimes you could lose your job. I'm just telling you, right? So make sure you're buying the house at the right time. Step 1. Step 2, make sure the house Vastu wise is good for you. Because Vastu is all about positive energy. You're going to spend a lot of time in your house. It is the single largest investment you will make in your life. So, जो वो घर है, make sure वो अच्छा है. Third, the numbers and digits of the house, they matter. But if you can't make it match, there are so many remedies in numerology. For example, if I look at your birth chart, your name, your year of birth, the house street number, and say the lucky number is 5, but the digits in your house work out to 3, then we can always add a 2 behind your door. Does that make sense? We can change the color. We can change some landscaping or something to make it more better for you. So I would say don't go only on the number. That is one of the least important things. The important thing is your chart and the Vastu of that house that makes the difference. That's what should matter.
Is there a preferred number that I can get for my chart?
You mean you want a specific number based on your birth
Like
date?
if you have like based on my birth chart, will you be able to give me like a good number that I can actually shoot for at least, if
Yeah,
it's
sure.
possible?
Give me your date of birth.
11/29/74,
November.
29,
Repeat that again.
74,
29, 1974. Okay.
2:20 a.m.
Okay.
in Chennai.
Let's see what your lucky number is. I don't need a place for you because numerology, we don't
Okay.
need so much detail. We don't even need your time of birth.
Okay.
So the digits that you should add based on numerology principle, a lucky number for home would be 4.
Okay.
Okay. Simple as that. 4.
Okay.
So try getting the digits of a house at 4. Nahi aata hai, then we can always discuss. But again, like I said, so many other aspects. Vastu is more
If I
important
add
here.
up the digits of the house, it should come into 4, or is it like it should end in 4, or how does it?
The sum of the digits minimized should come to 4. So if it is 1111, that's 4. If it is
Okay.
1999, then that becomes 28, which becomes 10, which becomes 1. So 4 is preferred. Okay. Good luck.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye.
To all the listeners tuned in and listening to us on Radio Zindagi, the Saket Bhatia Astrology Show is on and सुन रहे हैं आप डॉक्टर साकेत भाटिया को लाइव। अभी हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं डॉक्टर साकेत भाटिया जो कि एस्ट्रोलॉजी और न्यूमरोलॉजी एक्सपर्ट हैं एंड आपसे बात करेंगे। आप अगर अभी कॉल करते हैं उन्हें कोई क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए तो द नंबर वुड बी 5107701550 और या फिर आप डायरेक्टली कॉल कर सकते हैं उन्हें 408-639-5300। अभी अगर आप कॉल करते हैं जस्ट स्टिक टू वन क्वेश्चन एंड आपकी डेट टाइम एंड प्लेस ऑफ बर्थ विल बी नीडेड फॉर दैट एंड इफ़ यू विल टॉक टू हिम आफ्टर द शो डायरेक्टली कनेक्ट अगर आप करते हैं तो डेफिनेटली आप डिटेल में बात कर सकते हैं उनसे। सो वी डिड टॉक अबाउट न्यूमरोलॉजी। सो अब थोड़ा वापस वास्तु पे चलते हैं एंड वास्तु दोष की बात करते हैं। So architectural obstacles and their solutions, because वास्तु से काफ़ी लोग घबरा भी जाते हैं कि दीवारें तोड़नी पड़ेगी या रूम्स की ओरिएंटेशन चेंज करनी पड़ेगी। सो मिथ बस्टिंग आई थिंक यहाँ पे बहुत ज़रूरत है।
Yeah. So let's assume आपका घर बना है, right?
जी
Telling somebody to break his bathroom and then put a living room there, yeah, moving the kitchen and making something else there is just not feasible. That is not what Vastu is about. जो ऐसे वास्तु प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं वो गलत कर रहे हैं, राइट? वास्तु आता है 2 जगह पे। 1, when you have a blueprint and you're going to make your house, then we say okay, इसकी ओरिएंटेशन ऐसे कर सकते हैं, this is better for lighting, this is better for energy. But जब घर बन गया है, then we can't break anything. Then Vastu is like astrology. आप पैदा हो गए हो, आपकी कुंडली तो है, we can't move the planets around. What we can do is we can propose some remedies, some changes, some edits. And that's pretty easy to do in Vastu. Now, we have already covered 2 things. We have covered block planets in astrology, and we have covered something like blocked numbers in numerology. Ab third phase aayega, blocked obstacles or obstacles in Vastu. Vastu kya hai? It's an ancient science of architecture and design. Shastra means science, right? Vastu dosh means blocking elements in your house. They will disrupt the natural flow within your house. So आपके घर में जो positive energy है वो चली जाती है, reduce हो जाती है. It will impact people that live in the house. It will impact your mental ability, your health, financial prosperity, relationships. In fact, it impacts your overall well-being. And this is very true. वास्तु में जो दोष होते हैं 3 तरह के होते हैं. One is structural dosh, second is directional dosh, and third will be environmental dosh. तो 3 तरह के दोष हैं. Structural दोष क्या होगा? अगर आपका घर let's say square है, लेकिन one of the corners is cut. Cutting a corner or missing area within a property is considered a dosh. अगर आपका घर ऐसा बैठा है जहां उसके एंट्रेंस पे ही T junction है, so you open the door and immediately you see a left or right with a straight line, or you go out and you don't see anything in front, सिर्फ left right दिखे T junction पे, main entrance पे, it's considered bad. अगर एक डेड एंड आपके घर पे आके एंड होता है, इट्स
Yeah.
कंसिडर्ड बैड.
Right.
If there are exposed beams, जब भी आप बैठ रहे हो, sometimes you go to a restaurant and we see, big beams on top of our head. बट अगर घर के ऊपर जहां रहते हो, खाते हो, सोते हो, exposed beams हैं, it's considered bad. A spiral staircase is never considered good. And I've emphasized 3 times on the show, blocked or cluttered entrance is considered bad. Because blocked entrance is you. अगर आप एंट्री ब्लॉक के साथ करोगे, आप आगे कैसे जाओगे? These are structural दोष. एक होता है directional दोष. If your house door is actually pointing in the wrong direction, wrong, I mean, let's say it is hardcore southwest, that is considered to be a dosh. It is not end of the world, but dosh है वो. अगर आपका किचन नॉर्थ ईस्ट पे है, वो दोष है. कुकिंग नॉर्थ ईस्ट पे नहीं होती, बिकॉज वहां सनलाइट आती है. अगर कुकिंग ही कर रहे हो, धुआं आएगा घर पे, इट डजंट हेल्प. टॉयलेट बाथरूम इन नॉर्थ ईस्ट, नेवर अ गुड प्लेसमेंट. मास्टर बेडरूम इन साउथ ईस्ट, नेवर अ गुड प्लेसमेंट. Puja room on the upper floor, never a great good placement. Water source, water fountain, water body, swimming pool, hot tub, जो भी है, ईस्ट नॉर्थ ईस्ट पे होना चाहिए, साउथ ईस्ट पे नहीं होना चाहिए. कंटेमिनेशन हो जाती है, मच्छर आ जाते हैं, दैट्स कॉल्ड डायरेक्शनल दोष. एंड फाइनली एनवायरमेंटल दोष. लार्ज ट्रीज सिटिंग एट द नॉर्थ ईस्ट ऑफ योर हाउस, सनलाइट नहीं आएगी घर में. Power generators near your house, garbage dumpsters near your house, sharp edges from neighboring pointing to your property, environmental dosh, house too close to a graveyard, house too close to a mandir, never considered good.
Even
but
to a
vastu
mandir?
cannot be that close to a mandir. It has to be at a certain distance from a mandir. Vastu mein we make sure कि मंदिर की जो height है, your house should be at least 3 times away from the height of that mandir. Otherwise, it is never considered a good placement for you.
So
Fortunately, yes.
Sorry, we have a
I was
caller
talking-
waiting since long. Let's quickly take a call.
Sure.
Hello, you're on air with Dr. Bhatia.
जी नमस्ते भाटिया जी.
Namaste. How are you?
I'm doing good. How about you?
I'm very well. Thank you for asking.
Thank you, Bhatia ji. We are very thankful to you for hosting this show. It's like a great service to the community. So thank you very
Thank
much.
you so much. I'm glad.
Yeah.
How can I help you?
Yeah. So मेरा date of birth है 16 December 1984. रात के
Okay.
2 बजे, नागपुर,
Okay.
महाराष्ट्र.
Okay. आपका question?
जी भाटिया जी, अभी ना मतलब अभी तक मुझे जॉब जाने का टेंशन नहीं था, बट नाउ मेनी कंपनी अनाउंसमेंट्स आर कमिंग. इवन माय कंपनी अनाउंस दैट दे आर गोइंग टू डू ले ऑफ. I'm not so confident like who it will be impacting. So I just wanted to see if you see me losing the job this year or any issues in my job.
The job market is not good in general, na? So we can't really blame. मैंने ये भी कहा था एक शो पे कि लाइफ में you may think you have complete control, but economy uncertainty is always more powerful. तो आपकी कुंडली देखते हैं. You said you are born December 16th, 1984, सुबह के 2 बजे in Nagpur.
Yes, that's right.
तो you're a Virgo ascendant. Virgo को हम कन्या लगन कहते हैं. आपका मून जो है, your moon is also sitting in Virgo, so you're a कन्या राशि also. और आपका जो नक्षत्र है वो उत्तर फाल्गुनी नक्षत्र है. Since job की बात हो रही है, we are talking about 10th house. 10th house is run by Mercury. वो आपकी कुंडली में कंबस्ट और रेट्रोग्रेड है. A combust planet will give difficulty in job, but during its दशा. अब आपके ऊपर केतु भारी है. केतु is transiting you. He is not going to help you. I can say one thing. Will you lose a job? I don't think so. You should not. The chance you lose your job is low. If you can survive on this job till May, you'll be fine. If you lose your job, you will absolutely get another job starting May. Does that make sense? अगर आप इस जॉब में टिक जाओगे मई तक, then you have no problem for 1 year. 1 year तक no problem. बट अगर आपकी
So
जॉब
after
लेट से कल चली
what
जाती है,
will, uh-huh,
सॉरी, अगर जॉब चली
sorry,
जाती है,
sorry.
you will get another one in May.
Oh, immediately. So let's say if I so basically if layoffs happen, it will happen in March. Even though I get laid off, I will get another job in May.
Your dasha is very good starting May. It's only career dasha. May से लेके next May तक is a very good dasha. We cannot guarantee and say you will get only in May. But May के बाद the dasha starts. अब कब exactly मिलती है, we will depend upon so many things. If your time is absolutely accurate, then we can, go and say yes. July 21st is a very good time for you to get a job. May you can start interviewing. Uske pehle it's kind of not going to help you. July, May, between July 21st and September, you should get a job 100%. That is under the assumption you lose your job. वैसे भी if you don't lose your job, please try to get a raise, promotion or a different job starting May, okay? Because job की career है, job की दशा है. I always tell people, जब job की दशा आती है, make the best of it. Use it to your advantage. Right?
Okay, okay. So basically, Bhatia ji, ऐसा लग रहा है कि job, मतलब there are like it's uncertainty whether I will lose or not, right?
It is uncertainty for sure.
So it's not sure that I will be secured in this job. I might lose.
The chance you will lose your job is 40%. The chance you will not lose is 60. But 40% है. Because Jupiter Shani की दशा start होती है February 25th को, and Shani is representing loss. I hope you don't lose your job. I hope you don't. But understand what your chart says. Understand कि कुंडली क्या कहती है. मैं इसलिए लोगों को यही कहता हूँ, रेडियो शो पे, yes, I can answer one question, but if you really want to understand detailed inside out, come, meet me. It never hurts. It will only do you benefit. आपके लिए बेटर रहेगा अगर आप आते हो, हम बैठ के बात करते हैं, समझते हैं कि टाइमलाइंस क्या है. अगर आपको पता ही नहीं होगा, you will keep working your life in this company, and next thing you know is 10 years down the line you will say, why didn't I think? अब जब दशा आ रही है मई में, it's a positive dasha to get any job you want. So think carefully what you want to do. Okay, call it.
Yeah.
It's better for you. Choice is yours. Okay.
Yeah. डॉक्टर भाटिया जी, कुछ उपाय हो सकते हैं क्या?
ये रेडियो पे कितना बताएं? We don't have much time
मैम,
ना
वी हैव
for
लिमिटेड
anything.
टाइम. आप प्लीज डॉक्टर भाटिया से डायरेक्टली बात कीजिए 408-639-5300 पे. थैंक यू सो मच टू ऑल द लिसनर्स ट्यून्ड इन एंड लिसनिंग. डू कनेक्ट विद डॉक्टर भाटिया अगर आपके एक से ज़्यादा सवाल हैं, अगर आप डिटेल में बात करना चाहते हैं. It's always a great option where you can talk in length. You can discuss all the problems, all the questions you have in your mind. The number once again is 408-639-5300. And the website where you'll get the number and all the details about him is saketbhatia.com. So now we just have 15 more minutes in the show. And a very critical, crucial question I have in mind. I wanted to ask that how astrology can provide clarity on the convoluted journey of life.
So life is not straightforward. I don't
Absolutely.
know one person, including me, you, and all the listeners here, जिसकी लाइफ बहुत ही ईजी हो. ईजी लाइफ में मजा क्या आएगा? ना एम्बिशन रहेगी, ना कोई पोटेंशियल रहेगा. एंड अगर लाइफ ईजी है तो खुशी भी नहीं रहेगी, बिकॉज व्हाट हैव यू अकम्प्लिश्ड, राइट? व्हेन यू पास अवे यू से हमने लाइफ में ये किया है. सो जैसे जैसे हम लाइफ में नेविगेट करते हैं, हमें एक चीज पता चलनी चाहिए, हमारे एक्सपीरियंसेस, they can be both very good for us and they can be challenging. Never look at an experience as demotivating, which is hurting you. आपकी लाइफ इज इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय द मूवमेंट ऑफ प्लैनेट्स. फैक्ट तो ये है कि जब भी कोई प्लैनेट ऊपर मूव करता है, इट टचेस यू, इट इम्पैक्ट्स योर लाइफ. दैट प्लैनेट विल इम्पैक्ट एवरीथिंग इट रिप्रेजेंट्स, एवरीथिंग दैट इट प्लेस्ड इन योर कुंडली. जिस घर को ओन करता है, हर एक चीज रिप्रेजेंट होती है. ऊपर से हम इसे ट्रांजिट कहते हैं. अगर जुपिटर आपके 10th हाउस पे है, गो फॉर योर करियर, यू विल बी डूइंग वेल. रिकग्निशन मिलेगी, अगर काम कम भी करोगे, you won't lose your job. राहु केतु आपके 10th हाउस पे आ जाता है, अनसर्टेनिटी देता है, डिटैचमेंट देता है, वरी देता है. शनि आ जाएगा 2.5 years, बहुत काम कराएगा, टू अ पॉइंट where you will get frustrated. एंड रिजल्ट क्या होगा वो तो दशा के ऊपर है कि काम करके भी रिकग्निशन मिलेगी कि नहीं. आप ये सोचिए कि आपकी लाइफ में कभी ना कभी यू मे हैव फेल्ट शैटर्ड, अनसर्टन, राइट. इमोशनल स्ट्रेस होता है, कंफ्यूजन होता है,
Right.
अनएक्सपेक्टेड चेंजेस होते हैं, राइट.
Mm-hmm.
बट अंडरस्टैंडिंग ब्रॉडर एस्ट्रोलॉजिकल कॉन्टेक्स्ट हमें क्लैरिटी मिलती है. जब मर्क्यूरी रेट्रोग्रेड होता है, डू नॉट स्टार्ट अ बिजनेस एट दैट टाइम, डोंट डू इट. बैड आइडिया. यू आर रियली गोइंग टू बी इन ट्रबल अगर मर्क्यूरी आपकी कुंडली में रेट्रोग्रेड है.
Mhm.
Use that, in fact, as a period of taking some time off. Focus on something else. अगर आपके पार्टनर के साथ थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम्स है, Mercury retrograde is a bad time to even try to discuss anything. Right? एक आपको एक स्टोरी बताते हैं. एक लेडी आई थी हमारे पास एंड शी वाज टॉर्न बिटवीन जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज. हम ये जॉब करें कि दूसरा जॉब करें. शी रीच्ड आउट टू अस फर्स्ट टाइम. हमने उसकी बर्थ चार्ट पढ़ी एंड वी बेसिकली सेड, राइट नाउ वी रेकमेंड यू स्टिक इन योर जॉब, डोंट इंटरव्यू. बिकॉज जो जॉब आपकी चल रही है इसके बीच में देयर इज लाइकलीहुड ऑफ यू मीटिंग अ पोटेंशियल पार्टनर. नई जॉब करोगे then meeting a potential partner will add more to that confusion and drama. And then we also see that there is a likelihood of you meeting a person in a related field and starting something a year and a half down the line. And that panned out very well. She did meet somebody, they took some time off, they traveled, they settled out of the Bay Area, and then they thought, let's start our own little business. They started a little bakery and a, what is it, cake pastry shop, and working out well दोनों के साथ. तो अगर वो दूसरी जॉब ले लेती, life would go on a different path. She would
Course,
still
yeah.
meet somebody,
Mhm.
she would still start a business with a partner, but it would not be now, it would be few years down the line. Astrology tells you कि क्या होगा. अब वो कब होगा वो आपके ऊपर है. इफ यू डू इट द राइट टाइम सब अच्छा चलेगा, इफ यू डू इट लेट तो सब डिले हो जाएगा. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से. प्लैनेट्स, numbers, and vastu, these are all important. The easiest to fix is vastu in this, believe me. The easiest to fix.
जी.
Go to your house, let's fix your house. We get so many appointments for vastu, it's actually mind boggling right now. Every day we are getting 3 to 4 calls. घर का वास्तु करना है, प्रॉपर्टी की वास्तु करनी है, बिजनेस की वास्तु, रेजिडेंशियल कॉम्प्लेक्स खरीदा है हमने, फ्रेंचाइज खरीदा है. So people are calling with all these questions. It takes time going. I'm getting calls from different areas in California, whether it is San Diego, Reno, Nevada. I'm even getting from Chicago. Vastu is becoming very critical because people are realizing how it impacts your life. पॉजिटिविटी होगी, अच्छा होगा. अभी आप स्टूडियो में बैठे हो, देयर इज लाइटिंग देयर, देयर इज, इमेजिन किसी ने बत्तियां बंद कर दी, हाउ वुड यू फील? कांट फोकस.
Yeah.
If somebody
I'll
takes the
feel
headphones
sleeping.
out, that's
Feel
what
like
vastu
sleeping.
is.
Yeah.
When things are, जब positive energy नहीं है, you
You can't
will
work.
actually go to sleep. You can't work.
Hmm.
ये combination बहुत important है. Understand how it is impacting you. So, listeners के लिए, अगर आपके डेट ऑफ बर्थ या मंथ या ईयर ऑफ बर्थ के सम और नेम की जो सम है, इट कम्स टू 13, 14, 16 और 19, there will be challenges in your life. More challenges than most people. Remember that. You
But
can't stop it.
challenges अगर आ रहे हैं और अगर आपने अभी एडिशन किया है और आपको लग रहा है it is either of these numbers, so don't worry, you can always approach Dr. Bhatia and you can talk to him, you can discuss more about these numbers and about your charts. And the number again where you can call and connect with him is 408 639 5300. That's the office number where you can call and make an appointment and meet him. And you can also email him info@saketbhatia.com. और या फिर उनकी वेबसाइट पे जाके you can get all the details. You can put your details and create your own chart as well. The website is by his first and last name, saketbhatia.com. So we did talk about astrology and how astrology can help us, can provide us clarity.
And we did touch a little bit on Vastu as well. But what about numerology? How numerology can illuminate our path?
So एक पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट की जर्नी है न्यूमरोलॉजी. इट इज द यूनिवर्सल लैंग्वेज ऑफ नंबर्स.
जी.
न्यूमरोलॉजी के कोर नंबर समझें पहले.
Okay.
न्यूमरोलॉजी में कोर नंबर्स आर लाइफ पैथ, डेस्टिनी, सोल अर्ज, बर्थडे, पर्सनालिटी, एटीट्यूड नंबर. ये इतने नंबर्स हैं न्यूमरोलॉजी में दैट इट्स लिटिल कंफ्यूजिंग. लाइफ पैथ नंबर आपके बर्थ डेट से निकलता है. So if you're born 1st January 1972, you'll say 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 9 plus 7 plus 2. ये सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट नंबर है. ये रिवील करता है आपके लाइफ का पर्पस, द पैथ यू आर मेंट टू फॉलो. इट शोज योर ट्रेट्स, इट शोज अस योर अपॉर्चुनिटी, इट शोज अस योर चैलेंजेस. लाइफ में क्या होगा आपके साथ, पैथ है, आपकी जर्नी है. देन देयर इज डेस्टिनी नंबर, ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एक्सप्रेशन नंबर. This is derived from all the letters in your full birth name, not your name today, but birth name. इससे हमें आपके natural talents, abilities and goals के बारे में पता चलता है. If your life path and your destiny are not aligned, you're going to be a problem. Because life कह रही है ये करना है और आपका जो expression है वो कुछ और कर रहा है. Then there is soul urged, which is only calculated by using the vowels in your name. It tells us your true desires. आपको लाइफ में क्या चाहिए, what motivates you. इस जन्म में आप एग्जैक्टली क्यों आए हो, क्या चाहिए. फिर एक बर्थडे नंबर होता है which is calculated by the month and the day you were born. This is your individual talent which will help you achieve that in life. Now think about it. लाइफ का पर्पस क्या था, लाइफ की पैथ क्या है, आपके दिल क्या चाहता है, आपकी डेस्टिनी क्या है. And now there is another convolution, personality number. Adding up all the alphabets except the vowels. वो दिखाता है कि दुनिया आपको कैसे perceive करती है. What people think of you, Vedika. What people think of
Okay.
me. Then there is an attitude number.
Oh.
What is your outlook in life? And then there is a bridge number that shows all the relationships between these core numbers. So ये बहुत difficult science है. It takes a lot of time. जो
Yeah.
न्यूमरोलॉजिस्ट है, I give them credit because they do a lot of hard work. फिर कार्मिक नंबर्स आते हैं जो हमने टच किए थे, 13,
जी.
14, 16 and 19.
जी.
अगर ये कभी आ जाते हैं कैलकुलेशन में, then they represent debt of your past life. Okay. फिर चैलेंज नंबर्स भी होते हैं जो ये है. When you reduce these numbers, they'll come to number 1. जो कहते हैं you're a natural born leader. If I see 1 as your life path, it tells me आपको अपनी डेस्टिनी खुद बनानी है इस लाइफ में. You may be working for somebody, but आप कुछ लेके नहीं आए हो. If you're a number 2, it's more like a spring, right? उसको दबाओ तो फिर आ जाता है. So number 2 is harmony and cooperation. Number 3 is creativity. अगर number 3 के लोग होते हैं जो कंपनीज में काम करते हैं, they will never be happy if they're doing the same thing over and over. Give them some room. Give them some room to understand what they can create, what they can do. World में जितने popular musician, artist, celebrities होते हैं, they all have number 3. Remember that. Number 4 is stability. Core foundation होता है. Number 5 is more about your बीच का number है ना, so it's freedom. It's about little of everything. Adventure. I think this is a very lucky number to have. Number 6 is, like we discussed in last week's show, it's like a pregnant belly. So nurturing, caring, spreading love to people. They like community, home, and they like people in general. Number 7 is spirituality, wisdom, intellect. ये analytical लोग होते हैं जो दूसरों को advice देते हैं. Number 8, जब इसको flip कर दो तो it becomes infinity, right? Abundance, material success. Last year was number 8, 2024. It symbolized material success, stock market gains, everything. Last, number 9 means completion. It's over now. So it's time to focus on a new beginning. That's why in astrology, हम कह रहे हैं, numerology में, this is not going to be a very good year for everybody. The latter half of the year will actually start to look not so good for everyone. Whether it is job-wise, career-wise, personality, एंड देन कोर नंबर्स होते हैं ना, जो हमने कहा है।
जी।
न्यूमरोलॉजी में मास्टर नंबर्स 11, 22, 33 रिड्यूस नहीं करते कभी हम। When you come to me for an astrology reading and I notice number 3 in your birth chart or numerology chart, I will tell you, start something. कुछ creative करो life में. So you'll have to figure out what drives you, what makes you passionate. Whether it is working for a company just to make ends meet, हमारे पास घर आ गया है, हमें मॉर्गेज भरनी है, गाड़ी है, बच्चे हैं, एजुकेशन है, पैसे चाहिए, और डू यू वांट टू टेक दैट लीप ऑफ फेथ इन लाइफ? अगर लीप लेना है, एस्ट्रोलॉजी कहेगी कब लेना है, क्या लेना है, न्यूमरोलॉजी कहेगी आपके पास टैलेंट है कि नहीं वो करने को. See how they complement each other, and that's what we're good at. We merge these two things together to make sure that you have a good, meaningful, successful, happy life. But on all top of this sits Vastu, which is saying be happy in your home, work, and friend environment. आप गार्डन जाते हो, क्यों खुश रहते हो? You go on a vacation, why are you happy? You go to a beach, you're happy. You don't go to a cave when you go on a vacation. You don't close yourself indoors and lock yourself and say मेरी छुट्टी start हो गई, मैं होटल रूम में बंद होके बैठे हैं. You go outside. That's what Vastu is. Positive energy. That's what it brings to you. Mountains, ocean, open space, bright light. So listeners, focus on this. This is your life. You have to make it better. You can only make it better by knowing what your capabilities are, what your strength is, and what lies ahead for you. That's what I wanted to say today.
You have wrapped so much in such little time, and we will definitely bring this topic back next week. To all the listeners who have been calculating with me, like number क्या जुड़ रहा है, what is the addition coming out to be. अगर आपको कोई भी क्वेश्चन है, अगर आप कुछ भी पूछना चाहते हैं एस्ट्रोलॉजी, न्यूमरोलॉजी या वास्तु से रिलेटेड, डू कनेक्ट विद डॉक्टर साकेत भाटिया at 408-639-5300 or saketbhatia.com. Thank you so much for being on air with us. We will talk to you again next Tuesday.
Thank you. Have fun. Take care. Bye-bye.
To all the listeners, don't go anywhere. RJ Swati is coming next. Stay tuned for Cruise Control.
You are listening to Radio Zindagi. KZDG 1550 AM, San Francisco and the entire Bay Area.